backup cameras are a standard feature on new cars. Since 2018, it has been a federal requirement that any car manufactured for sale in the United States include a backup cam. If your car is older or the OEM backup camera isn't to your liking, aftermarket backup cameras can be reliable and effective. In this video, we are going to talk about a variety of best backup cameras in 2022 and how we have categorized them into a list starting from numbers 5, 4, 3, and so on. So do watch the video till the end and let me know in the comments section if you liked the video. Don't forget to press thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Each of the products has its link below in the description box so you can find more information about them. So without any further ado, let's begin with the video. On number 5, we have an HD eRapta or TO1 backup camera. The 14,800 plus 5-star ratings for this eRapta backup camera are certainly a testament to its quality, despite it being the least expensive on the list. While many reversing camera options have a single camera, this one consists of a multi-camera system. Newer models of cars can use this setup, but so can older cars. No fancy technological equipment is needed. The waterproof lens also makes it simple to drive through rainy and snowy conditions. The picture quality is crystal clear, and the ability to adjust the tilt of the camera means you can pinpoint your sweet spot so that you can back up with certainty. The camera generates its own distance guides, which makes it even more useful. You can clip a wire to turn these off if your car monitor already generates its own guides. The installation is drop-dead simple. Moving on to number 4, we have DoHonest V25 digital wireless backup camera. Designed to work at night and featuring a 6-layer glass camera lens, the DoHonest V25 digital wireless backup camera has you covered if you're looking for a solid low-light performer. The range on the unit is 36 feet while a vehicle is in reverse, and the range is 30 feet during continuous use. You can also choose from multiple parking guidelines to find the one that best suits your car. Plus, the camera is waterproof and resistant to high temperatures to work in extreme heat or cold. The DoHonest V25 could be the best backup camera for daily drivers who want to video feed, since the monitor can support split-screen viewing and has a modest 5.0-inch monitor. Our review team found the DoHonest to be a mixed bag. Overall video quality was decent enough, and the installation was quick considering the display magnetically attaches to the suction cup mount. On number 3, we have BOSCAM wireless backup camera kit. Shoppers particular about the wireless backup camera they choose may like this highly rated version from BOSCAM. First and foremost, there is no confusing wiring installation running the length of the car. The camera simply hooks through reverse light wiring and relies on connectivity. It has an encrypted transmission and can't be interrupted by external signals. It also has reliable night vision and can dim glare caused by sunlight on bright days. So many other reviews showed how easy this was to set up and use, and now I can attest to the same, wrote a customer. As promised, it comes on within a second of putting the truck in reverse with a surprisingly sharp and bright picture. Makes backing up the truck so much easier and safer. On number 2, we have YEDDY backup camera system kit. Drivers of semis and large trucks will appreciate the high-quality image, night vision feature, and easy-to-use screen on this YEDDY rear-view camera. Users can hang up the screen in the cab or mount it to the dashboard and, thanks to infrared lights, getting a good view during stormy evenings and night drives won't be an issue. The wide viewing angle on this reverse camera is also highly rated by buyers. We installed this type of camera on all of our asphalt distributors and we never had an issue, wrote a customer. I like the mounting bracket that the monitor has. It is very convenient because it gives you the option to install on different surfaces. Overall, this is a great camera system for commercial, industrial, and heavy equipment. Another reviewer added, the night vision works well for our operators that start before sunrise. In the first place, we have Furrion Vision wireless RV backup system. RVs and camper vans are great fun, but backing them up is a different story. With reduced visibility, accidents are more prone to happen. For preventative measures, a rear camera is an absolute must, such as this one from Furrion. The set has multiple cameras to outfit an RV, including a shark fin camera mount, side cameras, and a 7-inch viewing screen. It's also a wireless configuration, which takes away the stress of sorting out cords for a long vehicle. Even still, it has a great connection, according to multiple buyers. This camera and screen have taken the guesswork out of towing a pull-behind RV. The connection on this camera is also much better. My S model would occasionally lose the connection between the camera and monitor, usually right when I needed the visibility. I used this new camera this weekend on a 2-hour out and back track. I never once lost contact between the camera and monitor. This is all for now. You can check the links in the description box down below, which are updated to the latest prices. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you guys in the next video. Until then, goodbye.